Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace the power cord on your freezer, first unplug the old cord from the electrical outlet. Next, reach in through the lower rear of the appliance and disconnect the power cord wire harness. Now remove the screw to release the grounding wire. Remove the screw to release the retainer securing the old cord, and pull the cord out. Prepare the new power cord for installation by transferring the retainer from the old cord to the new one. Position the retainer on the freezer base and secure it with the screw. Align the grounding wire and replace the screw to secure it. Connect the wire harness to the new cord. You're now ready to plug the new power cord in and confirm that the freezer is functioning properly.